Hi everyone, how are you? Today in this video I want to show you one of the best antivirus in the world, Eset antivirus. So stay tuned, let's start. Okay my friends, in this lecture I want to show you the best or the one of the best antivirus in the world, Eset antivirus. Let's take a look about this program. Eset. Okay, that's it. Don't worry about the link, I will put in the description below. Okay guys, that's it. It's amazing software to prevent virus from attacking your Windows. As you can see here, we have 3 versions of this software: Smart Security, Eset Smart Security, Eset Internet Security, and the most popular one, also we have Eset Node 32 antivirus. As you can see, we have many options for everyone. Okay, the most popular is the middle one, Internet Security, Eset. It's a soft program, don't take a lot of memory. I'm already installed this one, Eset Smart Security, Eset Internet Security. So let's take a look about this program, Eset Internet Security. As you can see, that's it. You have 30 days as a trial. You can buy a license for this antivirus. Okay, as you can see, we have many tools, also banking and payment protection, anti-theft, computer protection, internet protection, network protection. Also we have here an amazing thing, as you can see, search and scan your network and indicate all devices in this network. As you can see, and the most important thing about this program, it's very soft and easy to use, and really protect your Windows from any viruses or malware. Okay, don't worry to download and install this program, and you can try it for 30 days before buying a license key. Okay, that's it guys. Hope this helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video.